In this lesson, we will learn about the tiling patterns made from different shapes. Appu has come to Duck Uncle's shop to buy a shirt for his birthday. Uncle is showing him shirts with different designs. Look, aren't all these shirts beautiful? Children, do you see something unique in the design of these shirts? Yes, here shapes are being repeated again and again. What do we call this? Absolutely right. We call it a pattern. Appu loved the shirt made with the yellow flower pattern. He took the shirt from Uncle and started to walk towards his home. When Appu was going home with his shirt, he saw a certain kind of pattern of tiles on the path. Appu started thinking how this pattern would have been made. Just then, Sher Khan was passing by on way to his house. Appu asked Sher Khan if he could tell him how this pattern would have been made. Children, can you tell how these patterns on the floor are made? No. Come, let's learn it from Sher Khan. Sher Khan said to Appu that this is very easy. The tiles are joined in a manner that there is no gap left in between the tiles. Children, is this possible? Come, let's take on one tile from the pattern on the floor. How can we attach these tiles to make the pattern on the floor? Yes, we can make this pattern by arranging these tiles horizontally like this, then vertically, and then again horizontally, and so on. Appu enjoyed making patterns with the tiles. He thanked Sher Khan and bought some curvy shaped tiles to make a beautiful pattern on the floor of his house. Appu reached home and with great excitement started making patterns with tiles bought from the market. He tried hard using Sher Khan's method, but he was unable to create the pattern. Children, can you help Appu make a beautiful design from these tiles? Make sure not to leave any gap in your design. Yes, we can make a beautiful design in this manner with no gap in between using Appu's tiles. Appu is so happy to see his new floor that he is dancing with joy. Children, in this lesson, we learnt about tiling patterns made from different shapes. In the next lesson, we will learn about some more interesting examples. In the previous lesson, we learnt about tiling patterns made from different shapes. In this lesson, we will learn more about this through interesting examples. Sher Khan, Chanda and Babban have come to Appu's birthday party. On seeing the design made with tiles on Appu's floor, They also thought of using such tiles to make beautiful designs in their house. The party got over and everyone went back home. Next day, Chanda bought these types of tiles from the market. The shopkeeper had told Chanda that she could use tiles with such shape and make this type of design. But Chanda is unable to make this design. Children, can you help Chanda make design by making use of the tiles with this shape? Yes, we can make this design by turning and joining the tiles in this manner. Chanda is very happy to see the design of her new floor. Come, let's see what Sher Khan is doing. Sher Khan has made these types of designs on 3 walls of his house. Children, can you tell me which tile has Sher Khan used for which design? Well done, children. You have identified it correctly. Chanda and Sher Khan's houses are looking very beautiful indeed. Come, let's see how Babban is doing. Hey, what is this? Babban has slept after making the pattern on just half of the wall. Children, can you help him by completing this pattern? Wow! Children, you have completed it correctly. Babban has woken up. Look how happy he is looking at his beautiful wall. Children, in this lesson, we saw some interesting examples of tiling patterns made from different shapes. In the previous lesson, we saw some interesting examples of tiling patterns made from different shapes. In this lesson, we will cover some misconceptions related to this. One day, Babban was going home. On the way, he stumbled upon something. When he looked down, he saw that one of the tiles of the floor was raised. The tiles made a pattern like this. When he tried to set the tile back on the floor, he saw a golden vessel under those tiles. Babban took out some other fixed tiles from the floor as well. Finally, he took that golden vessel out. He saw lots of gold coins inside it. Babban thought that he will bring a big bag the next day and will take away that treasure. He hid that vessel back under the ground. But he was not able to understand how the tiles were fixed on the floor. He placed the tile like this and went home happily. Children, can you tell me what is the difference between the patterns of the tiles made by Babban and the pattern of tiles already present on the floor? Yes, in the pattern made by Babban, there is some space between two tiles, whereas there was no space in the previous pattern of the floor. Babban had used the same tiles that were already fixed on the floor. Then why did this happen? Some shapes are such that they can be joined in only one way, so that no space remains between them. When Babban went home from there, Golu arrived on the same path. Golu looked at the tile placed on the floor and found that there was a lot of empty space between the tiles. When Golu bent and picked up a tile, he also saw that golden vessel. He removed all the tiles laid by Babban. Just like Babban, he also saw a lot of gold coins inside that vessel. Like Babban, Golu also decided to come and take away that treasure the next day. As he tried to relay those tiles, some of the tiles broke. Now Golu had an idea. There were some tiles at his home. He quickly got them. Golu's tiles were of this shape. Golu is thinking how he can make a design with them so that no space remains between two tiles. Children, can you think of any such design? That's right. We cannot make any such design using this shape so that no space remains between two tiles. Remember, children, there are many shapes like this one, which cannot be used to make designs, which have no space between them. Golu kept trying the whole night, but he could not make a pattern with those tiles. In the morning, a big crowd had gathered around Golu, and he had to share the treasure with all those people. Children, we saw some misconceptions related to the tiling pattern made from different shapes.